Okay, the next technique we're going to do is another wet on wet technique. This one is dropping in water. So again, we are going to repeat the first two steps for wet on wet after you label the section on your paper. So wet on wet, dropping in water. So we're going to paint water only onto the background. That was the first step we talked about for wet on wet. Choose a cool color. Lots of water. You can see it bleeding into the other water. Okay, what's different about this technique is that instead of dropping in a different color, we're going to drop water into this. Remember that when you are using a watercolor brush, you are using the tip of it only. You never want to let much of your watercolor brush touch the paper. So you load your brush up with water only, and then drop it into your paint. And that water spreads and bleeds like the dropping in color did, but instead of a different color, it lightens the area where it touches. This also creates diffused edges and a nice variation in your backgrounds.